Oh, hey, just reading a story about toys. It is week 3 of our summer movie series, and this week we'll be looking at Toy Story, the epic computer animated movie that put Pixar right on the map. In this story, we have Andy's room, full of toys that come to life when Andy's not looking. And one of those is Woody, a cowboy who seems to be Andy's favorite toy. You can tell this because of how much time Andy spends with Woody, and also because Andy's name is written on the bottom of Woody's boot with permanent marker. Now, all of Andy's toys have this name written underneath them. Then comes in Buzz Lightyear, which makes Woody rethink everything he knew about who Andy was, how much he's loved, how much he's worth or valued, because Buzz seems to be the new favorite toy. And I wonder whose name is written on us. Do we feel like we've got to somehow earn it? That we have to somehow be the best, the newest, the brightest, the most creative? Or do we sometimes feel like we've become the old toy? That we've somehow lost our worth or value, or maybe the place on the shelf? Or do we sometimes feel like Woody, jealous of others, maybe sad and isolated? So join us this week, Sunday night for high school from 5 to 8 p.m. with Ultimate Frisbee afterwards, and 5 to 8 p.m. for middle school on Wednesday nights. So join us this week as we watch Toy Story in the summer movie series. Hope to see you there.